Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on iPhone 15. And to do this, let's try to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being right here, and that's the main speaker. Next one is a microphone, and that is not the speaker at all. Then we have the phone call speaker on top of our screen. To determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music and cover each of them. If the sound is coming from both of them, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. Sorry. Okay, so clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and I can confirm that this device does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.